Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. I am doing my Allure Beauty Box unboxing for May 2019. I love the bag that it came with, this really cool see-through neon orange bag. Here's the little magazine pamphlet that came with it that has all the information about each of the products. And again, this is just a perfect bag for summer. I can't wait to bring this to the pool or the beach. And the first thing I'm going to show you is this Laritzi Cosmetics lip gloss in the color Vibe. I have put this in my purse, and this is my go-to lip gloss ever since I received this beauty box. It is just the perfect sheer nude that I've actually been looking for because I don't like to wear a lot of color, but this just provides the perfect amount of sheer color. It's sort of my lips, but better. I'm going to swatch it for you now. I really think that this color would look good on anyone. So if you are still searching for that perfect nude color to add to your collection, definitely try this color out. And the next up is this Model Co. Eyelights Metallic Eyeshadow in Saint Bart's. It's a bronzy champagne cream shadow. It dries fast and it doesn't crease or rub off. You can make it really stark on your eyelids if you want to have that pop of color, but you can also blend it out so it's not too harsh. You can wear this a couple different ways. You can wear it all across your eyelid, or you can pop it in the middle of your eyelid for a really bright pop of shimmer. You can also just place it on the inner corners of your eyes to make your eyes look nice and bright and awake. You can also line it on the bottom lash line and give yourself a really cool look for summer. And next I got this Saint-Tropez Self-Tan Purity Bronzing Water Face Mist. This you can put on under your makeup, over your makeup. I am already quite tan, so I have decided not to really use this on my face, but more of like my collarbone area, my shoulders. Anyone who wants a little bit of color on their face, their neck, their décolletage, this would be a great addition to your summer bag. Next up is Lanage's Water Bank Moisture Cream. Now each product is not given a full description in the little pamphlet that was given. It is reviewed by somebody and then they put in their quote. So Sable Young, a digital makeup editor, explained that this little blue jar is brimming with beauty. It doesn't feel heavy, but it plumps her skin. You can wear it under makeup or you can wear it before you go to bed and wake up with really hydrated skin, and it helps her makeup stay on longer. And then next up is this Amore Pacific Moisture Bound Cream. I thought it was interesting that they would put two moisturizing products in one box. The person who reviewed this said that this is an ultralight cream that goes on like a lotion and sinks in like a serum. It's a good base for layering, and it also moisturizes as a solo act. Thank you, bamboo sap, without any palpable finish. And then lastly is this product by, I don't even know if I'm pronouncing this right, but it's Louis by Jean Seo. It's an erase, cleansing, exfoliating, and brightening powder. So all you have to do is combine this loose powder exfoliator, which is made with milk powder and oats, combine it with water, apply it onto your skin, and then wait a minute and then massage it away. It unclogs your pores and renders skin as soft as a baby in a tiny velour tracksuit. That is a really cute description. All right, so that is everything in my May Allure Beauty Box. Thank you guys for sticking with me for this video. I made it short and sweet. Please stay tuned to my channel, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you haven't already. I'll be doing summer monthly giveaways starting next month, and I'll also be doing a big giveaway on my channel when I hit 15,000 subscribers, so I hope you help me get there. Thank you guys again, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!